I'm Jennifer Brennan. I'm the Horticulture Information Specialist at Chalet. And yes, we are open for business. You just can't come in the store. And I'm here to clarify some confusion out there. People don't know the difference between the spring bulbs that are coming up in the garden now and the summer flowering bulbs. There is a huge difference. Spring bulbs are planted in the fall. These summer flowering bulbs would not survive if you planted them out in winter. And our favorites, my favorites, are cannas, and these are the ones that Grandma used to always grow. And they get to be about 4 feet tall, beautiful flowers. This combo is great with the orange, yellow, and the red. Gladiolas, this is another fun one. Just a great bouquet flower. And you plant these when the danger of frost has passed. You can plant them inside in containers. Get them started early. So then on May 15th, put them out in your garden, you get flowers earlier. Lilies are really confusing to people, but they're so much fun. They're the early flowering ones that flower in June. Those are Asiatic. And then they're the late season, like Stargazer, that are the Orientals. They bloom in July and August. You want to always look at the back of the package to make sure you know the difference. See where it says Asiatic, and then over here it says Oriental, Orientalis. So those are the ones you want to look at. Now these bulbs won't survive over the winter, so you have to, the lilies will survive over winter, but these bulbs have to be lifted, or that means dug up and stored inside over in the fall. Now, you always want to use your bulb fertilizer. Bulb tone is excellent. Sprinkle them around the spring flowering bulbs too, and then use your great tools to dig them and get them into the soil. And this is a wonderful kit that we put together, and it's Jennifer's favorites. Now, the store isn't open, so you can't come in, but we're doing online, we're doing phone orders, and we're doing FaceTime with iPhones. So be sure and keep in touch with us. We'll get you through this, and we'll keep you gardening.